Imagine a garden bursting with life, a place where every plant is thriving, every flower is in full bloom. The secret to this paradise? It could be hopping around your garden. Yes, we're talking about rabbits. Rabbit manure is a gardener's secret weapon. It's a natural fertilizer packed with nutrients. Get ready to unlock the power of this resource. Your garden will thank you. If you found this video helpful, please like it. Rabbit manure is a rich source of essential nutrients, making it an excellent choice for organic gardening enthusiasts. These nutrients are vital for healthy plant growth, ensuring that your garden flourishes with vibrant, robust plants. The magic trio nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium are abundant in rabbit manure, providing a balanced diet for your plants. Nitrogen encourages leafy growth, making your plants strong and vibrant, perfect for leafy greens and ornamental plants. Phosphorus supports root development, crucial for a plant's stability and ability to absorb nutrients effectively, ensuring a solid foundation. Potassium plays a vital role in overall plant health, enhancing the plant's ability to withstand stress and adverse conditions. It increases resilience to diseases and pests, reducing the need for chemical interventions and promoting a healthier ecosystem. This nutrient also aids in fruit development, leading to a more bountiful harvest with larger and more flavorful fruits. With its impressive nutrient profile, rabbit manure acts like a superfood for your garden, giving your plants the nourishment they need to thrive and produce abundantly. One of the remarkable things about rabbit manure is its gentle nature. Unlike some animal manures, rabbit manure is considered a cool manure. This means you can use it directly on your garden without composting first. It won't burn your precious plants. This makes it incredibly convenient for gardeners of all levels. Another advantage is its lack of strong odor. Rabbit manure has a much milder scent compared to other manures. This makes it a more pleasant experience for you and your neighbors. You can nourish your garden without enduring unpleasant smells. Section 4. Building better soil. Healthy soil is the foundation of a thriving garden. Rabbit manure does wonders for improving soil structure. It adds organic matter, which improves drainage in clay soils and water retention in sandy soils. This creates an ideal environment for plant roots to grow and flourish. The organic matter in rabbit manure also provides food for beneficial microorganisms in the soil. These tiny helpers break down organic matter, making nutrients more available to your plants. This creates a thriving ecosystem within your garden, leading to healthier plants and a more productive harvest. Section 5. Using rabbit manure in your garden. There are several ways to incorporate this garden treasure into your routine. Rabbit manure is an excellent organic fertilizer that can significantly improve the health and productivity of your plants. One method is direct application. This is the simplest way to use rabbit manure. Sprinkle a handful of rabbit manure pellets around the base of your plants. This will slowly release nutrients as the pellets break down. Water well to help the nutrients seep into the soil. This ensures that the plants can absorb the nutrients more effectively. You can also create rabbit manure tea by steeping manure pellets in water. This method extracts the nutrients into a liquid form. This creates a nutrient-rich liquid fertilizer that you can apply to your plants. It's especially useful for giving plants a quick nutrient boost. Another excellent way to use rabbit manure is by adding it to your compost pile. This helps to accelerate the composting process. It will enrich the compost with its valuable nutrients. The resulting compost will be dark, rich, and full of beneficial microorganisms. This creates a nutrient-rich amendment for your garden. Your plants will thrive with the added organic matter and nutrients. Whether you choose direct application, manure tea, or composting, rabbit manure offers a versatile and effective way to boost your garden's health. Each method has its own benefits, so you can choose the one that best fits your gardening style and needs. Section 6. Reap the rewards. By now it's clear that rabbit manure is a true gift for gardeners. It's a natural, nutrient-rich fertilizer that improves soil structure, enhances drainage and aeration, and promotes beneficial microbial activity. All of this leads to healthier, more productive plants and a more beautiful garden overall. So if you're looking for a natural way to give your garden the boost it deserves, look no further than rabbit manure. Give it a try and watch your garden flourish. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips, and share this secret weapon with your fellow gardening enthusiasts. Happy gardening!